Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Daisy Apparel. So right now I'm in my car and I'm about to go into the Youth Ranch, which is like a thrift store we have here in America, and I'm going to be looking for some fun things for my dorm. So I actually created a little bit of like an inspo board for what I'm looking for, that way I stay focused and don't end up buying things I don't need, and also have a good idea of like what I want so I don't forget while I'm in the store. So I'll probably have that on the screen up here. I'm really excited, so let's go in and see what I can find. Okay, so I just got done shopping at Youth Ranch, and I was able to find a few things for my dorm. Unfortunately, I couldn't really find any picture frames that are like the right size and style I was looking for, but I was able to find a few cups which I wanted to find, so I'll show you what I got now. So the first is just this mug. It's really basic, but I thought it'd be cute and nice to have for my dorm because I think I probably want 2 coffee cups. Then I also found these 2 little glasses, which they both just stack on top of each other, which I thought could be helpful. And yeah, I'll probably use them for like water or maybe iced coffee or something. So I have another mug already at my house that I bought for my dorm, so I think that's all the cups I'm going to need. Then this was kind of more of an impulse buy, but I thought it was so cute and it matched my dorm. So this is just for decoration. I'm not actually going to use it in my dorm. But yeah, I just thought the blue would match really nicely. Then I also got a few pieces of clothing. So the first is this white sweater, which it's slightly big, but I thought it was cute and I'm sure I could style it in a way that I like. And then I also got this red vest, which I actually made like kind of a more orangey vest earlier. And I like that, but it is a little bit big, and this one's definitely a bit more fitted, which I was kind of in 2 minds about this, debating whether or not I wanted to get it, but I figured I might regret it if I don't, so I decided to get it anyway, which hopefully this fall I'll be able to find some ways to style it. And the last thing I got is this turtleneck, which it just has some really cute little leaves on it, which I really don't think I'm going to wear this as a turtleneck because this will be a thrift flip, which I think it could be kind of cute to make like a pajama shirt out of it because it's like a soft kind of like jersey fabric. Or I might be able to just like change the neckline or something for it. I haven't really decided what I want to do with it yet, but I thought the fabric was really cute, so I figured I could find something to do with it. So yeah, that's what I got today at the thrift store. Please subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this and to see how I end up actually decorating my dorm. Because as I've mentioned earlier in this channel, my plan is to like make everything I put in my dorm. So today I didn't really buy anything to use to make things, but I'll definitely be posting more videos about shopping, also making things for my dorm, and finally decorating my dorm, which I'm so excited for. Thank you so much for watching today's video and making it to the end. Your support for this channel means the world to me. Thank you, bye!